Hello, is me.
Right. Left?
Ah.
You're gonna die.
We're all gonna die.
Miss, you need to pay for your food.
Nope. Astrid! Oh! You don't think we can handle this? Don't worry about that right now.
Go back to bed, you overgrown sausage!
Then why a dragon army?
Oh, come on, kid, you asked me that already. Now quit wasting my time!
Hey! You can't talk to my son that way! Who do you think you are?
I'm Plankton, you old hag, and your son smells like boogers!
Hey, you can't talk to my wife that way. What do you think this is?
I think it's time for you to lose some weight, fatty. That's what it is!
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Cam.
You want to go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Jump in.
Hiccup.
You're okay, you're okay. I'm right here.
I can't hear you! It's too dark in here!
And who do you think you are? Running around leaving scars.
Sure, they're my uncles. Whispering Waldo, Mute Marvin, and Soft-Spoken Sam. They're just...
Gay!
This place about to blow.
Spotlight! You're done!
Hey girl, did we just share electrons? Because I'm feeling the covalent bond between us. A covalent bond is a chemical bond that involves the sharing.
What do you want from me?
Your hair looks really nice. I mean, considering all the fire and lightning and debris.